Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the Racer Race Carbon 2 waterproof, windproof, insulated gloves. The Racer Race Carbon 2 gloves retail for $159.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos or pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing. I have on a 2X in these right now. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I'm getting the fit and feel I would expect from these gloves. This is an insulated, windproof, waterproof glove that has a storm gaiter at the top of it. Who are these right for? These are right for any rider that wants to extend their riding season. We live in Michigan, so if you want to extend that season, you want to ride early, you want to ride late, you're going to need gloves that are both insulated as well as wind and waterproof to get that done. It's going to help to keep your hands warm when you're on the bike. Racers developed these so that we have 6 ounces of Dexbill insulation on the back of the hand. That's the part that's going to be out in the wind. And then we have 2 ounces used in the palm. That helps to maintain feel, right, which is super important. Obviously, you don't want to ride in a baseball mitt. And also, if you happen to have a bike that has heated grips, that's going to allow the heated grips to work efficiently to keep your hands warm. We have a touchscreen fingertip on this glove, Petard's leather, Aquapoint waterproof breathable membrane. We have a carbon fiber knuckle protector. We have protectors for the knuckles. You can kind of see those on the back side of the textile inserts there. Motion panels. You get to the palm. Carbon palm slider, super fabric palm slider, additional layer of Petard's leather right there. That's definitely the impact zone. It's kind of nice too to see a waterproof, windproof, insulated glove that also features a palm slider, right? For those of us that don't want to sacrifice protection for functionality, you get the best of both worlds with the Race Carbon 2. Why is the palm slider on there? Well, instinctively when you fall, most of us are going to put our hands out to brace for impact. When you do that with a standard glove that's either textile or leather, that fabric or hide can grab the pavement. It can overload the seams on the gloves, or it could transmit a bunch of energy into the wrist. There's a small bone in there, low blood flow to the scaphoids, common injury in motorcycle crashes for that reason. Many years ago, a company named Knox developed palm sliders, which we now see different variations of. And putting that there just allows the glove to slide, and you can hear that on that surface. The glove slides much easier. It's also very hard to wear through that as compared to leather and or textile, so just more protection. Grip panel here in the palm. We have an overlay in the area where your hands are going to come in contact with the handlebars to help keep the service life of the glove high. Safety strap here at the wrist. There is an adjustable storm gaiter right here, right, that opens up. You know, this is a bulkier gauntlet. So for most, you're probably going to have to put this over the sleeve of your jacket. Having that storm gaiter there allows you to grab a hold of that shock cord, snug that up around there to help seal that up if in fact you do get caught in the rain. I think the last kind of rain anybody wants to get caught in is cold rain, right, when you're wearing this insulated glove, but nevertheless, you know, they've built something in there to help mitigate that. Reflective back here on the end of the gauntlet. There is some padding in this area too to protect the end of the ulna, right, all around a good protective package that is super comfortable. The lining inside is very comfortable, which is nice. That is insulated to help you extend your riding season. What temperatures are these going to be good to? That's a tricky question, right? If you have hand guards on your bike that block wind or a windscreen that blocks wind, okay, then they're going to work to colder temps. If you're riding a sport bike or a naked bike where your hands are just out in the wind, right, that's really going to start to depend on your internal thermostat. What are you comfortable with? Every one of us is going to be a little bit different. What I can tell you is there is plenty of insulation in this glove to get you down into those 40 and 50 degree temperatures. And for most riders, it's going to keep you super comfortable. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right glove for your next ride.